Hello and welcome to the Power Bank Expert YouTube channel. Today I'll be unboxing the Charmast 10400 milliamp hour power bank. On the outside of the packaging, we can see a view of the product. We can see the brand Charmast, and then we see the description of the product that's inside. We have Go Green with Charmast because we have this recyclable packaging. On the back, we just see some information about the manufacturer. We have the model number and some additional information on here. We have these packaging inserts that are holding the materials on the inside. We have the user manual, quality check card, carrying case, the Charmast power bank, and two cables. It comes with a user manual, has all the information inside about the product in several different languages. We have a quality check card showing that it passed its quality check. You have a cable for the micro USB to USB-A so that you can actually charge the power bank. We have a USB-C to USB-C that can be used to charge the power bank or to charge an external device. You have this nice bag that you can carry around the power bank in. You can see it's this mesh material. It's kind of stretchy. Has a tag on here with the logo and a drawstring. Then we have the power bank itself. On the top of the product, we just see the brand, Charmast, and we have these 4 LED indicators to indicate the charge level. On the side, we have the power button to turn on the power bank. The back has some information about the model. We see the 10,400 milliamp hours. We see the model number, and we have some other information on here as well. On the bottom, we just have the smooth plastic. And on the top, you can see that we have the micro USB in for charging. We have the USB-C that can be in for charging the power bank and also out to charge your device. We have output 1 for this USB-A, output 2 USB-A, that would be output to charge your devices. You can charge up to 3 devices simultaneously with this power bank. Let's turn on the power bank. So we hold this to turn it on. We can see that the LEDs, we have 3 lit LEDs on here because we have 75% capacity. This is made out of a black plastic. You also have these rounded edges, so they'll be really smooth. It's a hard plastic and it's really small, fitting in your hand, and it's lightweight. It's smaller than a smartphone. This is an iPhone 13 Pro Max, so you can see that it's much smaller. Fits nicely in the carrying bag that it came with, so that you can throw this in a backpack or you can keep it in your pocket. If you're looking for a power bank that's lightweight, small, easy to transport, can charge up to 3 devices simultaneously, then I think you'll really enjoy this Charmast power bank.